Welcome back. Today, you'll learn simple, natural answers you can use in real daily conversations. Listen, repeat, and practice them several times to sound smoother and more confident. How do I get to the station from here?
Go straight ahead, then turn left at the lights. The station is just down the road.
What's the easiest way to get there?
The easiest way is to walk straight down this street and follow the signs.
How far is it from here?
It's about 10 minutes from here if you walk at a normal pace.
Where should I turn?
Turn right at the next corner, then keep going until you see the entrance.
What should I look for?
Look for the big sign near the main road. It's easy to spot.
How do I get to the city from here?
You can take the train from this station. It goes straight into the city.
Which stop should I get off at?
You should get off at the next major stop and walk from there.
How many stops is it from here?
It's about 5 stops from here, so it shouldn't take too long.
What's the best way to get there by train?
The best way is to take this line and change once near the city.
How long does the trip usually take?
It usually takes around 20 minutes, depending on delays.
What's this area like?
It's pretty quiet and family-friendly, with shops and parks nearby.
What do you like about this neighborhood?
I like that it feels safe, peaceful, and not too far from everything.
Where do people usually go around here?
People usually go to the local shops, cafes, or the park nearby.
What's the best thing about living here?
The best thing is the convenience. Most things are close by.
How has the area changed recently?
It has become a bit busier, but it still feels like a nice place to live.
What kind of exercise do you usually do?
I usually do light cardio and some basic strength exercises.
How often do you work out?
I try to work out a few times a week, depending on how busy I am.
What are you working on at the gym?
I'm mainly trying to improve my fitness and build some strength.
How do you stay motivated to exercise?
I try to keep it simple and focus on feeling better, not being perfect.
What do you do after a workout?
I usually stretch a little, drink water, and take it easy for a while.
Great job! Practice these answers again a few times, and they'll start coming out more naturally in real conversations. See you in the next one.